Hey, what's up? Chris from Schoen Roofing. Today we are going to go over tarping a blown off section of your roof. All right, let's get to it. We saw a 100K windstorm last night come through our area, so calls are coming in. This one, you can see a section there, section there, and I'm going to take a little closer look because right here you see there is already a repair from before, and on this side same thing, a couple new shingles right there, newer. So I'm going to flip her around and show you guys what may have caused this. So we're going to check, we have felt paper underneath, which looks good. These are the straight cut architecturals. I don't name names, but everybody knows what those are. Not the worst, but if we just go around and lift up, I haven't touched these yet. That one's sealed, right here, nothing sealed. So that's the brand. We don't install it, don't endorse it. Okay, so we have, let's look at the nail placements. High nail blown through, high nail, a couple good ones, but if you come down to a full shingle, high nail, high nail, high nail, and blown through. So if we look, the lap, the common bond between the two is about as wide as my thumb, so well below that white line, but that's where all the nails are. Let's get it down here, blown through. This one super high, super high. We keep going. This one's not even close. So common theme here, just somebody not knowing what they're doing. I mean, that one is just bonkers. So we'll assume the other side's the same. We'll take a quick peek. We have blow-throughs, which could be because of the flapping. Like it could, no, that one's a little bit sealed, so just blown through all these shingles. So this is just going to constantly blow off. You can see the repair shingle here, which is different, and someone took their time and nailed it properly, and that's why those haven't left. It's also a gaff shingle, it looks like. Gaff, maybe certainteed, and they're really stuck, except for that one. Yeah. So that's what we're going to show. How we're going to prep this. Tarp or cover a blown off area of your roof. Here's what you will need, the way we do it. A roll of synthetic underlayment. This is FT Silver, highly recommended. Wood screws for the strapping. You can hand nail it. We love using the DeWalt roofing nailer. Extra coil, drill with Red Robbie for the screws. And I think I got 12 pieces of strapping, should be plenty. So we'll do 6 and 6. All right, so some people still use tarps when they need to cover this blown off area. We found it takes a lot longer. Tarps are super expensive. And if it's a little bit windy out, if you get a big area, you know, if you've done it, it'll fly everywhere and get wind under it. So it's really hard to get nice and solid. So I'm gonna show you how we do it. I'm gonna set the camera up, just go through it, and then maybe do a voiceover to explain. But basically gonna cover the area and then strap it after, and you guys can check it out. All right, section 1 done, didn't take too long. Sometimes I'll cut those 1x3s down a bit, but we're gonna be coming back to do an actual replacement or full repair, so it doesn't matter. I'd rather keep them 8-footers and just unscrew them later, and we got more 8-footers for the next one. Did that, and in case you're wondering, the reason why I trimmed off the backside is I had it a little bit long and I didn't want to nail. So where my nail gun was aiming for was staying in the ridge, because we're going to replace this ridge cap with that section. And the paper came down a little bit low. I didn't want to have to do anything with this top row of shingles as far as replacement. So I kept my nails a little bit higher, but I don't want this paper flapping in the wind and causing people to not get any sleep. So that is why I did that little trimming piece. I could have set the roll better. I mean, that's what I should have done, but whatever. So anyways, yeah, go about, I don't know, 3 to 6 feet with your strapping. And it's just a little extra reassurance. The paper, the FT synthetic by itself will stay down if you really nail the shit out of it, but we like to use a few less nails and then strap it, keep it compressed, and that way there's a few less leak points over the next, little while until we get back to get the proper fix. So hope you enjoyed the video on how to repair a little blow off on your roof. If you got a steep roof, I definitely recommend not doing it yourself, but call a professional, and this is how we do's it nowadays. All right, take care. See you guys next time.